Okay, so we are on another example before we actually move on to the activity that I was going to have you guys do. So this is another example. So it says find the area of each of the regular polygon. So the number of sides is 7, so we know it's a septagon. Heptagon. Heptagon. The length of a leg is 2.77, so that's the leg right here. And then the apothem is the 2.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this one a little bit larger. And so when I draw this out, I notice something. So I notice that they're giving me the side here, which is 2.55 or 2.5. And then this side here is 2.77. And I know that it's a right angle here. So I know I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find out this length here. And then I'm going to be using the formula area equals 1/2 apothem times n times the side length, because I'm going to go ahead and find the whole length here, the whole thing here. Okay, so right now what I've done is I've zoomed into this smaller triangle, and I'm going to solve for this leg here, doubling it so this can give me the side that I want. So I have x squared plus 2.5 squared equals, my hypotenuse is 2.77 squared. Then I'm going to go ahead and solve this, plug this into my calculator. Let's see. So I get x squared plus 6.25 equals 7.6729. Then I'm going to solve for x squared. So x squared equals, I subtract 6.25 from both sides, and I get, I get x is about, once I solve all that, I get 1.19. But then again, I have to double it, right? And so when I multiply this by 2 to get the actual entire side here of my polygon, then that's about 2.38. And then that's all I have, right? I needed my side, which is this right here. I have my n, which is 7, and I have my apothem, which is 2.5. So then I'm going to go ahead and do the use my formula here. So area equals, I'm just plugging everything in, 1/2 times 2.5 times 7 times 2.38. And when I do that, let's see, what do I get? I get about 20.8. And I'm just rounding it to the nearest tenths here. Okay. Alright, so this was the last part of this section, and then we're going to go ahead and do a really fun activity that I think you guys are going to enjoy. It's a riddle, and we are doing some problems before we get to that riddle. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time.